In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the payment method on your Shopify store in 2025 with this full tutorial. Whether you're updating your current payment setups or adding new ones to better serve your customers, I'll guide you through each step of the process with ease to ensure your store remains both user-friendly and efficient. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Shopify admin interface. This is your main control center where you handle everything from inventory to sales. Once you're at the Shopify homepage, look for the Settings option located on the left sidebar. It's at the bottom, so you might have to scroll down a bit. Click on this. After clicking on Settings, you'll be directed to a new page with multiple options. You'll want to select the Payments tab, which is the option we need to focus on today. It should be straightforward to find because it's clearly labeled, and will bring you to a new section where all your payment settings are managed. Now that we're in the Payments section, you should see an Add Payment Method button. It's usually at the top of the list, making it easy to locate and access. Go ahead and click that button. This action will open a new menu where you have the ability to either update or add entirely new payment methods. When you click Add Payment Method, you'll be prompted to search either by payment method or by provider. Let's start with searching by payment method. By choosing this option, you'll access a list of all supported payment systems that integrate with Shopify. Browse through this carefully as it includes a broad range of options, from credit cards to modern digital wallets, allowing you to pick what best fits your business needs. If you didn't find what you're looking for, don't worry. There's another way to proceed. You can also click on Search by Provider. This tab allows you to search for payment providers directly. It's particularly useful if you have a preferred provider in mind already. Simply enter the name or browse through the list provided to find a match. Once you've found the appropriate payment method or provider for your needs, follow the on-screen prompts to finish setting it up. Every provider might have slightly different requirements, which might include entering or verifying your account details with them. Make sure to double-check everything to ensure the setup is complete and accurate. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to change or add a payment method to your Shopify store. This knowledge keeps your store flexible and up-to-date, ideal for accommodating different customer preferences. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your Shopify store even more successful.